Hi everyone, and welcome to April's episode of Cooking with Celebrate, where we are making our beet hummus. This recipe is full of phytonutrients with that rich purpley red beet color, and as we enter April and our seasons begin to change, we could develop some allergies, some sinus issues might be creeping in, so what better way to handle all of that than having a phytonutrient rich meal? Come join me. Now this is another very simple recipe. I love making beet hummus, and then I use cut up vegetables to dip into it. We will just throw everything in the blender, we blend away, and then it's done and we get to enjoy it. So we will start, I like to put heavy to lightest. Now, you can vary the consistency of this by adding more olive oil depending on how thick or how thin you like your hummus. So we will start with a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and then we will adjust as we need to. This is, I think, a very beautiful consistency, especially if you're presenting this at like a party in your house. So we'll add it to our bowl. Oh yeah, and the color is just so rich and beautiful. Okay, now that we have our hummus and our vegetables plated, I like to add just a little drizzle of olive oil on top, just to add a little bit of dimension to the dish. But here you have your perfect spring appetizer for when you're hosting friends over in this gorgeous April weather. Thanks for joining us. Come back next time where we start May. So we start our summer series of all of our recipes. Thanks for joining.